Hey guys, you just installed a new SketchUp plugin, but the toolbar is nowhere to be found? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to bring back those missing icons in less than 2 minutes. Check your extension manager. Make sure the plugin is enabled. First, the most common reason, it's simply not activated. Go to View, then Toolbars. Scroll down the list, find your extension, and check the box. Sometimes SketchUp doesn't auto-open new toolbars by default. Let me repeat that one more time, just to make sure it's clear. If you check your settings exactly as shown in the video, the toolbar will appear. So you just installed Curvizard, but every time you launch SketchUp, this annoying missing lib Fredo 6 message pops up. This happens because Curvizard is not a standalone plugin. It requires a core library to function. Now, back in SketchUp, go to Extensions, then Extension Manager. Click Install Extension and select the RBZ file you just downloaded. Crucial tip, always install the library, libfredo6 first, then the plugin, Curvizard second. If you already installed Curvizard, that's fine, but you must restart SketchUp after installing the library. There you go, your SketchUp is now a powerhouse. I've put the links to the latest libfredo 6 and my favorite plugin pack in the description below. If this fixed your problem, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more pro SketchUp workflows. If you're still stuck, leave a comment with your error code and I'll try to help. Happy modeling!